everyone, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita Luxury. On today, I feel like this is a pretty exciting video and very informative because I never thought about comparing these two bags. I am going to speak on the Odeon PM and the Pochette Matisse. Honestly, guys, I never thought about comparing these two and what fits inside. So this has been a very highly requested video. So we are going to discuss these two today. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at marquitalvluxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started. Your girl got the tea, so now let's talk LV after we go over the handbag of the day and the outfit that I slayed. Yes, today's handbag is the black on-front leather multi-pochette. This is my second time wearing this handbag. Yes, guys, I am reaching more for handbags that I haven't worn yet or I've worn once or twice. And so I've honestly enjoyed having her by my side today. I prefer carrying her as a crossbody versus over the shoulder. Of course, it's a multi-pochette. I'm going to still let you guys know I love the monogram canvas multi-pochette over the front. But as stated, she did very well today, and I am going to start carrying her a lot more. With the multi-pochette, I honestly like carrying them separate, if you guys know what I mean, because to me, I feel like this is basically two bags in one. You can wear the multi-pochette in like 3-4 different ways, but today I wore them together and I enjoyed it. So this is the handbag of the day, and the outfit is from my brand XTREME KURVES shapewear. As you guys can see, the logo is here and the logo is here, and I have on a size medium. And I will leave the link in the description box, and also I will leave the link in the description box for the handbag of the day. Okay, guys, so let's move on and let's get started with these comparisons. Before we get started with the video, I have to know, are you team reverse monogram or monogram? I'm only speaking on the Pochette Matisse. I'm only speaking on this handbag. Same handbag, different print. Which one are you rocking with? Which one do you have in your collection? Which one do you want, or do you have both? I am blessed to have both. And no, I love reverse monogram, but I do not want to pick out of these two. I am loving the monogram and vachetta a lot more these days. I'm not sure what's going on, but I am blessed to have both. So let's chit chat in the comments. Are you rocking with reverse monogram or the monogram? Okay, so let's get started on what fits in each handbag. Of course, I am going over the Pochette Matisse and also the Odeon PM. The Odeon comes in two sizes, the PM and the MM. I do have both, but just looking at the size, I think the PM will be a better comparison, and that's what you guys have been asking for. You asked for the Odeon PM and the Pochette Matisse, and that's what we're going to go over today. First, of course, you can see this is monogram and vachetta. I do have the vachetta tote handle covered and protected with a bandeau. I just feel like the weather in Houston is off and on. It will say that it's going to be 90 degrees, 100 degrees. It'll still be sunny and just rain, guys, out the blue. It did it yesterday. So I love to keep my vachetta handle covered. You can spray with Apple Guard, of course, if you want, but I just like to add some decoration and just to spice my bags up. And I thought having a bandeau and keeping a bandeau on there is the best way to go. And so here it is. And let's get this beauty open and expose that beautiful dark chocolate brown microfiber material. You guys know that we love the inside just as much as we love the outside. So let's get started with what fits in. And guys, I love the desk agenda. I really do. I know this isn't going to fit in. I'm just curious and I want to share the experience with you guys. So let's see and be disappointed together. So, of course, guys, it doesn't fit in. This is something that I used to have to carry every day. My calendar in here. I have a journal, my notebook that I write on because I'm always thinking 24/7. But guess what? I now have a notebook. So let's put this in. And of course, I know this is going to fit in. I carry this with me every day. And so it does have a back pocket, okay? So let's see if it fits in this back slot here. Yay! That is so perfect, guys. I am so happy. So the Pochette Matisse has a back pocket here. As you guys can see, I just fit the notebook in. And it has a larger mid compartment and the front compartment is just a slight bit smaller. So the notebook is in the back. We are now going to start with one of my favorite wallets. This is the Brazza wallet that I am going to purchase in Monogram. And so let's put that in. Okay. Of course, still plenty of room. And we are going to go for the mini pochette. Inside, hand sanitizer, hand lotion, and also lip gloss. Protect your inside of your bags at all times. And so we are going to put the mini pochette in the middle compartment as well. We are going to move on with the 6 key ring holder. Still have room here, and I am going to put the 4 key ring holder right here. The 4 key ring holder right there, and that's perfect. Still plenty of room here at the top. So we still have the front compartment. So let's look inside. We have the notebook that's in the back compartment, and in the mid compartment we have the 6 key ring holder. We have the 4 key ring holder. We have the mini pochette and the Brazza wallet. I will go with the Brazza wallet, you know, a longer wallet or a wallet that holds more card holders, just so you don't have to take up so much room. You guys know I love slim card holders more than anything. And so I could have also went with the slim purse as well. And so do you want to see? Let's see. Hey, it's here. Since it's a slim purse, guys, it can honestly fit in the back with the notebook, leaving the front compartment still open, and we still have the back zipper to use. I honestly really don't carry anything else but these essential items. I do have my phone. My phone can go here in the front and it still has plenty of room, or I can put my phone here at the back. So the Pochette Matisse hold quite a bit. You know, we already know that. That's why we love the Pochette Matisse. And so let's see. Have another card holder. So that's basically 3 card holders. I'm just showing you what fits inside because I have the slim purse here and the Brazza wallet. And so you can honestly put another card holder here, or I can put my gum up here with my phone. And so let's get this closed. Closed. The bag is full. Over the shoulder. And of course, guys, it can be adjusted. For my tall divas, if you do want the strap to extend longer, you can do so. Don't forget, we still have that back compartment with the zipper, but there's no need for it. But this is everything I carry every day. So let's get this open, take everything out, and let's see what fits in the Odeon PM. And so it was the slim purse. Again, you honestly have more room. I was just trying to show you guys how much fits in. Notebook, the Brazza wallet, mini pochette, 6 keyring holder, 4 keyring holder, my phone, and some gum. Okay, so let's move on to the Odeon PM. Odeon PM comes with a detachable and adjustable black leather strap. Carefree, no vachetta, black leather, and I love the bag tag here on the front. Instead of having a back zipper, we do have a front compartment that we can use for additional items, for our phone, or whatever you feel that you need to have easy accessibility, which for me would be my 2 phones. Except for having this closure, the clasp closure, it does come with double zipper. Okay. Both handbags, of course, gold hardware. And you can use the Pochette Matisse strap if you like. And so I'm going to just show you, and describe the bag with the leather strap. And then I'm going to switch over to the monogram strap. So let's go and see what fits inside. I'm going to put the notebook inside, vertical, up and down. And of course, the desk agenda, it doesn't fit, but it does fit inside the Odeon MM. So we have the notebook inside, and inside, I'm sorry, we didn't go over the inside of the bag. Textile material with a side pocket that runs actually quite deep. No other compartments, just one open compartment inside. Notebook. The Brazza wallet. Don't forget, we still have that side pocket and we have the front compartment. Mini pochette. Six keyring holder. 4 keyring holder. Still plenty of room inside the Odeon PM. Slim purse over here on the side, and it fits in, and it's not heavy at all. That's what I love. So we have the slim purse in and the Brazza wallet. We really do not need the slim purse, but it is inside. And let's see, because the slim purse is barely making it inside because of the length, and it's almost the exact length of the bag. So let's see if we can try it this way. Nope. Okay, so let's go back in and put the slim purse back in. So guys, it is honestly the same length. So if you have the slim purse and you're trying to use it, it will go in, but you have to be careful because as you guys can see, it is exposed. But I want to keep it inside because I'm curious just to see if the bag will close. If not, we can take it out. That's why we are doing this together, and we can just use the Brazza wallet because the Brazza wallet holds 16 cards. Another card holder. Fits in quite easy here on the side. We still have the front compartment. That's where I usually hold my phone with the Odeon. Any Odeon bags, I usually use the front compartment for my phone. And so let's close. And of course, we cannot close because of the slim purse. So guys, the slim purse does not go, well, I'm not going to say go because you guys can make it fit. I have the Brazza wallet inside, so I am going to take the slim purse out because I really feel like slim purse can work inside. I'm just not trying to force anything. So slim purse is out. We still have the bras and wallet, so let's zip. And keep in mind, guys, we still have this room here on the side. The only difference that I will say why I will pick as far as what fits inside the Pochette Matisse is because of the separated compartments. It's just like an organizer. Inside the Odeon is one compartment. We do have the back open slot. You can put your phone in there. My phone in the front as stated. And there it is. Or you can do it like this. Okay, and it is a magnetic closure, guys. Okay, it's magnetic. So here is the Odeon PM. I hardly carry the Odeon PM, so today this was it was an informative video because I honestly am learning with you guys as far as what actually fits in the Odeon PM versus the Pochette Matisse. So here is the Odeon PM with the leather strap. Here it is as a crossbody, and this is a very gorgeous handbag. I am usually with the Odeon MM, and so just to have the Odeon PM today, I love it. Crossbody, over the shoulder. And if you go on Amazon, you can purchase the braided handles if you want to carry it as a tote. If you have the Metis handbag in your collection, take the top braided handle off, the top handle, and add it to your Odeon handbags. The MM or the PM, you are going to fall in love, and you can convert it into a tote handbag. Simple, okay? So here it is, the Odeon PM with the leather strap. I am going to take the leather strap off, and I am going to add the monogram strap. Here it is. I'm excited about both bags. When I do these videos, guys, I just fall in love with the bags. When I tell you I am learning how to love these handbags that honestly just sit in my closet, that's why I honestly sell some of the handbags I'm not using. I would rather for the handbags to be used by someone else to just sit in my collection, just to have in my collection, if you guys understand what I'm saying. So new love, newfound love for the Odeon PM, and you guys know the Pochette Matisse has grown on me these last couple of weeks. So I hope you guys understand now what actually fits in both. Which handbag are you rocking with? Odeon PM or the Pochette Matisse? Both handbags I am blessed to have in my collection. The Pochette Matisse does hold more, but the Odeon PM is such a beauty to have. Such an amazing crossbody. So let's debate. Are you team Odeon PM or are you team Pochette Matisse? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time. Bye-bye.